Greetings, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Scout 380 LXF. Power plant, triple mercury 400s. The 400 is new for the 2020 model year. We did go for the Scout White on these ones, really ties in nice to the boat. Being a new motor, still get the 3-year warranty for Mercury. It is the L6 motor with the supercharger on top. Lots of snap, lots out of the whole power. Really great power plant for this boat. If you take a few steps on board here, as with all the Scouts, nice clean transom, easy to walk through here. Fishing rod holders, you're going to be doing a lot of fishing. Certainly have that ability there. Bait well in back here. Move in through the walk-through transom. Nice flip down seat. So again, if you're hanging out in party mode, you have that. You want to do a little more fishing, fold it away, gives you all the extra space in the cockpit. Entertainment bar, great feature. Does drop down. So grill, sink, cutting board, drops down, turns into a seat. Really just adds to the versatility. We do have the Sure Shade deployed. Again, covers most of the cockpit here. Gives you that nice space out of the sun. Another really great feature I personally love, we call it the teak swim deck. So off the port side, folds down, gives you another place to hang out, get in and out of the water, swim ladder that comes out the side. Real easy to use, but gets you away from the outboards off the side of the boat. So move forward towards the helm. Step up here, triple wide helm seat, lots and lots of room. Fold down armrests, as well as the flip down bolsters. They are also heated. Nice addition when you're in Maryland, early or late season. Keeps your season a little bit longer. So we talked about the power plant before, being the Merc 400s. Going to have integrated joystick, skyhook, autopilot, all integrated into the nice vessel view screen. Triple Garmin display. You can run everything on the boat from here, whether you're switching the lights on and off, Bluetoothing your Fusion stereo to your phone, or just mapping out your next course. A couple of nice features that we've also included on this 2020 is the zip wakes, upgrade from the standard. We also did the Seakeeper. If you have not experienced Seakeeper, you've got to come in and give it a try. It is a game changer on the water. Move around to the bow here. Great storage locker. Cleaning brushes, couple of fish holders or fish bowls, whatever you need. Up to the bow. Nobody does the bows better than Scout. Huge seating space. Going to be nice storage underneath all of them. Gas assisted hinge holds it up. Stereo control up here. Big storage locker here as well. This is actually the integrated storage spot for the ladder that comes off of the platform on the port side. Normal Scout stuff, stainless steel hardware. Nice gasket. Gives you that smooth, quiet, solid feeling that Scout's known for. We do have a couple additional rod/cup holders here in the bow. Again, just adds to that versatility. You know, one thing that I like that really pairs nicely with the midnight blue hull is this Grigio interior. Two-tone, but very, very subtle. Really easy on the eyes. Has a nice classic look to it. So in the cabin of this 38, there is quite a bit of room. Full galley. Got a nice little microwave. Another refrigerator, so not only do you have the one that's behind the helm, you do have this one as well. Single burner stove, some nice storage. Moving towards the head, does have the shower pull-out ability. Nice vessel sink. Good room. Again, if you're spending the weekend on the boat, certainly going to have the amenities you come to expect. Moving forward, again, nice storage locker, cedar lined. And then here's the entertainment space. There's a table that drops in here, so you can sit and use this as a dinette. It also has a cushion that drops all the way down, so this is the sleeping area as well. Cushions pull out on the side to really give you a little bit of extra space. Nice television, stereo speakers, surround sound around it. Really a great place to be if you want to get out of the sun for a little bit, or just spend the weekend on the boat. 2020 Scout 380 LXF. Beautiful midnight blue, Grigio interior. Triple 400 Mercuries. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We absolutely would love to show you this boat.